Hello, welcome to American Baker in Germany, where the ingredients are German and the baker is American. I'm Michelle, and today we are making a Tetris themed cake. I've decided to make this as part of our series on how to dress up a sheet cake. So this was a special request from Teresa and Cam, so thank you for the request, and let's get started.
I didn't have all the colors of fondant I needed ready to go, so I colored them with gel food coloring. These are basically all the colors of the rainbow, including 2 shades of blue. I started with purple, then red, then orange, then blue, then light blue, then yellow, and green. Then I frosted my sheet cake dummy with black vegan American buttercream. Then I rolled out some red fondant and used this texture mat and pressed the squares onto the red fondant. You don't have to have one of these, but after making a Minecraft cake without one, I'm happy to have it this time. Then I cut out the shape of the red pieces of Tetris. Then I did the same thing with orange, just using the shape of the orange pieces. I set all these aside on cake boards. Then I did the same thing with yellow. And the same thing with green. Then I did the same thing with light blue, which are long, straight pieces. Then I did the same thing with dark blue. Then I did the same thing with purple. Then I placed the Tetris pieces on the cake. I made sure to leave at least one empty spot on each row, because if you've ever played Tetris, a full row disappears. So every row should have an empty square. I also placed the Tetris pieces on the side of the cake. This is such a fun, nerdy cake. It's quite time consuming, but not really difficult, so definitely possible for beginners. For more cakes and tutorials, visit our website at AmericanBakerInGermany.com. We're also on Facebook, Instagram, and TikTok. Subscribe for a new cake every week and hit the notification bell to be the first to know when we upload a new video.